What is up, YouTube? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys. As you can see, I am back at school in my dorm room, so I have a lot more shoes here than I did when I was at home. Obviously, I don't have them all in one place or the other, but I have more here than I do at home, so I'm back. This might be a familiar view to those of you who have been around for more than a month. For the new ones, man, I appreciate y'all. We are up to 190 subscribers now. Let's get to 200 ASAP. The goal for 2020 is 1,000. I have a video that I'm really excited about for you guys today, man, and that is I'm going to pick up these Black Cat 4s. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning right now. Got up early, went to do this, make this video so I could go out to the store and get them. They are first come, first serve. I've heard a lot of different answers regarding what the hype on these is going to be, how many people are going to be in line, so on and so forth. So I'm going to try to get to the mall maybe about an hour and 15 to an hour and a half before the stores open. I'm going to try to go for Foot Locker. This mall actually has two Foot Lockers, a Foot Action, a Champs, a Finish Line, and one other store that you guys just wouldn't know the name of, but there's definitely a lot of options. So I'm going to go there, see what lines are shorter, and I'll bring you guys with me. Like I mentioned, I think in my last video, I have these glasses right here. I just realized I held up the wrong glasses. Those are actually my prescription glasses, but if you saw my last video, you know what I'm talking about. I got a pair of glasses with a camera in the bridge part that goes over your nose. It's going to be really dope. It's going to allow you guys to see everything from my point of view. There is a camera lens in the glasses, so it's going to be a pretty cool POV vlog situation. So now let's stop talking. Let's head over to the mall and you guys can watch me grab these shoes.
Alright, yo, so first of all, first decision I gotta make today is what I'm going to wear. You guys can see the collection right here. Let's see, what am I gonna wear? I always start my outfit with the shoes. I'm going to let's grab these right here. You guys saw them before when I picked them up. Reebok Kamikaze 2, remember the Alamo. Really easy shoe to wear. Weather's gonna be decent today. Gonna take these out, show them off at the mall. Let's go. About to head in this mall, hop in this line, see how many people in the line, grab these kicks. Alright, so there's the Foot Locker. There's nobody in line. I'm gonna just mess around in the mall till it's time for it to open up and go grab my 4s. Ain't no line outside of Champs either. Second Foot Locker. No lines. What the 4 is still sitting on. No line outside the Finish Line. I might get these 90s though at some point for real. The Volt 90s. I might have to get those later. And I'm definitely getting these Denim 6s when they go on sale. They need to hurry up and go on sale because nobody buying them things. Look like a couple people in line at that Finish Line. 2 of them. Alright, so Foot Locker does not have the 4s. Let's see if Jimmy Jazz do. Jimmy Jazz got them. So we gonna go right here. Cool.
Okay, thank you. I don't know why my hands.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. I just need your signature.
Oh yeah.
My hand's super staticky right now. How do you feel?
Bag is secured. Fucking bag is secured. We got the black box. Black ass Michael Blackston box. Dark skin box. Midnight fucking Wesley Snipes box.
Alright, YouTube, so we are back in the room. Y'all got to see me go to the mall, pick up these fours. Let me know what you think about the little camera footage. Since I showed you guys the wrong ones before, like I said, I showed you in the last video, but here are the glasses that I use. Look like regular glasses, and you can see, I don't know, it's all black, but you can see the hole in there where the lens is. But that's what I recorded that footage with. I don't know why, for the timestamp it says 2014, but anyways, I'll figure that out later. Let me know what you guys think about that, and let's get into the box, man. Here they are, right here, super black, triple black, like I said, dark black box right here, matte black box with the metallic shiny flight on the top. Let's look at the tag like any other Jordan 4 tag. You can see it right there, size 12, got your QR code. Retail price on these is $190. And the official colorway is black/black with light graphite. Now that that's out the way, let's just open the box, man. I'm so excited to get into these. I'm already letting you guys know right now, for my sneakers of 2020, this is gonna be on the list, probably somewhere in the top 5. Now let's get into it. Boom. And obviously it's no different than really any other shoe, but because of the fact that it's the Black Cat and the Black Cat moniker, this just makes it so much better. But when you open the box, you got your black paper right here, everything all black presentation, no white paper underneath. And then let's just take the shoe out real quick. So real quick, one thing I've been meaning to touch on in a lot of my videos, in case a lot of you guys don't know, I did work at DSW for a period of time, and one thing that I learned is that every shoe that comes out of the Nike factory, that Nike makes, the shoe at the bottom, when you open the box, the first shoe that you see is the left shoe. So that's one quick and easy way to spot fakes. The left shoe is always going to be shown first. Now let's just get into the specs of the shoe. Obviously, man, as you guys can see it, man, it's all black, dark black, super black, Wesley Snipes black, Mo Bamba black, Skip Goes Hard black, Facts. My sneaker of the year right here, man. So far, I mean, it's only January, but this is my sneaker of the year so far. You guys can see we got that. I'm trying to get close to it so you can see that synthetic, like short hair suede, nubuck material. We got these. Everyone wants to say that they're metal wingtips, but they're not. They are just coated plastic. They look shiny. They're not matte, but they look metal, which is a dope touch. Your webbing right here on the medial and lateral, or the lateral, sorry, and medial parts of the shoe, and then you got your webbing on the tongue going all the way up. Now if you look, you can see similar to the Jordan 11 cut of the patent leather. You guys see how it's black right here, but on the top you kind of see that white. If I were to grab, I'm not gonna grab it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. It's too high up. But the Jordan 11 patent leather, you got that same kind of white cut showing. I think that's a nice little touch. It adds a little bit of an accent to the shoe, man. But to me, Jordan 4 can never go wrong with the Jordan 4, especially a black one, man. I'm so excited to have this in my collection. You guys have no idea. One thing I want to touch on right here though, because I know this is, like I said, these shoes last time they released was 14 years ago. This is considered one of the best non-OG colorways. If you go in the back of this little heel tab right here, I call them the ankle cutters. On the original it says Black Cat, on these it doesn't. And then what do we have in the hang tag, not in the hang tag, in the tongue. You guys can see it on the tongue there, it's barely Air Jordan. And this is a interesting tongue. Let me get, where's my other one? Right here. Alright, so when I get this is what 4 was this? The anniversary 4, the 30th anniversary laser 4. If you look at the tongue of this 4 and any other 4, it's a lot thinner than what we have on the Black Cat here. I don't know if you guys can see that side by side, but let's just get into the build of it first of all, because you look at just the silhouettes, you definitely see, this one has a pretty good build. They've been doing better in 2019, and they've been getting closer and closer to the original build of the 4, which this one is probably the closest to the original build since the OG. But yeah, guys, not too much to say about the shoe, man. All black all the way around. You got your white Jumpman on the outsole. You're not going to see that too much. This is a shoe that I'm going to be able to wear a lot. Like I said in the earlier video, these right here, like my party shoes, going out, events, you know what I'm saying, get stepped on, scuffed, whatever, cool. So these are going to be for more calm events, you know what I'm saying, to wear them more often. As you can see right here, I've already emptied out a spot for them in my collection, because I needed to have these in the collection. These are not going to be resold unless I get my hands on another pair. As you guys saw, the lines weren't crazy. Foot Locker actually didn't even have them, so I had to pick them up at Jimmy Jazz. I know Finish Line had them, and I think the Foot Action downstairs had them. And there was a couple people there waiting in line, nothing crazy. But I'm letting you guys know right now, don't sleep, especially after February 1st hits. These will be sold out even this weekend. It's a weird drop date because it is a Wednesday, but this weekend they will be sold out. Should I give y'all the on foot? It's a Jordan 4, it's black. Why not, man? I'm gonna give you an on foot, then I'll be back. Alright, so y'all saw the on foot, man. Dope shoe all around. Cannot wait to wear it. Make sure, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. And I will see y'all at the next one.